To the other news that is coming in. Now, this one, again, Asaduddin Owaisi making a controversial statement using Jallikat as its platform. And earlier, he talked about a uniform civil code fight. This morning, he's talking about triple talaq. He's raked in the Jallikat fight and has said that just like the civil movement that was witnessed to legalize Jallikat, similarly, the Muslim community should rally behind supporting triple talaq. Take a listen.
तमिलनाडु की गयूर आवाम ने लाखों की तादाद में निकालकर अपनी जान के लिए नहीं सिर्फ अपनी तहजीब को बचाने के लिए मुत्तहिद हो गए तो हिंदुस्तान में मोदी को उनके आगे झुकना पड़ा। मेरे अजीज दोस्तों और बुजुर्गों, क्या हम उनसे कमतर हैं? नहीं, हम उनसे कमतर नहीं है। हमारी भी तहजीब है, हमारी भी तहजीब है और हमारी तहजीब ये है कि मैं अपने तरीके से शादी करूंगा, मैं अपने तरीके से तलाक दूंगा। मुझे दुनिया ना सिखाए कि मैं कैसे शादी करूं और कैसे तलाक दूं। सबक हासिल करो मेरे अजीज दोस्तों और बुजुर्गों।
Let me go across to my colleague Shiv Poojanjha. Shiv, we've spoken to the BJP spokesperson this morning who has dismissed Asaduddin Owaisi statement as a vote bank politics stunt. Now, how do you read a statement coming around the UP polls?
Well, you see that despite the fact that it's raining and the temperature has come down, the statement from Owaisi is bound to raise the political temperature, primarily in western Uttar Pradesh, where a wedge possibly exists between the two communities. And time and again, most of the political parties, they have been trying to bank and to extract maximum political advantage because of all these hardline approach. We are expecting some quick reactions coming from the BJP as the day progresses, because the statement which has been given by Owaisi definitely it emanates from the fact that he is trying to garner the minority vote in that particular pocket. Remember that Owaisi, he is eyeing to contest polls in several parts of Uttar Pradesh. We are also getting in this information that he is in talks with the RLD for some kind of possible alliance. Whether they are in a position to reach some kind of alliance or not, that remains to be seen. But as of now, Owaisi definitely is intending to score some political points by giving this kind of a statement. How much following exactly it does have primarily in the women community among the minorities, that remains to be seen, because you see that the matter is sub judice and the Supreme Court, it has asked all the stakeholders to give their opinion on this important subject.
Absolutely. So thanks, Shiv, for joining us on this story.